In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw on MotiveWave. Now, the first thing you have to do is, of course, open your chart, and then over here on the left of your chart, you can see the drawing tools. So let's actually go over them right now. First, you have kind of the select tool. It can be drag, select, ruler, node tool, eraser, or the zoom tool, okay? So this is not really drawing, it's just for navigating around. Then you have the second one, which can be a trend line. So this is going to look like this. So the first click is going to start it, the second click is going to finish it off, and of course then you can go ahead and alter it. You can go ahead and kind of stick it to any of these candles, etc. And then you have things like horizontal lines where you can just place them whatever. Usually it's going to be 2 clicks for each and every single one of these lines. So click once, click twice, and you have your lines. And then you have things like channels over here as well, which can be created simply with a few clicks. As you can see, it's actually very easy to navigate these. And you have forks as well, where you can do it like this. You can basically place forks using your left mouse button. Then you have things like text over here. You can add comments, you can add callouts, you can add notes, and of course there's arrows and a bunch of different things. I'm not going to click on every single one. It's pretty self-explanatory what they do, but if you want to draw freehand on your chart, you can use the pen or the highlighter. So if I go and click on a pen over here, I can go and kind of freely draw over it, okay? So if I click on the pen again here, as you can see, I can draw whatever I want. I can make selections, I can point to something, whatever, and then I can move it around as well, okay? So you could also use this highlighter over here, which is again going to allow you to use colors while essentially painting over your chart. Then you have things like rectangles and boxes, ellipses, triangles, stuff like this. And then these things are a bit more advanced. You have like ranges, you have support areas, resistance areas, and all of these can be drawn using your left mouse button, okay? So there's nothing more to it, but if you need something else, like maybe fib spirals or extensions, retracements, whatever, you can find them over here, as well as the arrows, and of course things like different targets. You have different time ranges or stuff like this. There's a bunch of different things, but that's essentially how to draw on MotiveWave. It's super simple. Just use these tools over here on the left. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.